Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix missing Instagram notes. For that, if your Instagram notes are not showing means first you need to go to Play Store and search on Instagram. If you know it will not in update means just update it and open the Instagram account and go to the messages. If you still not found your note means come back and go to click on profile on the one side and click on edit profile and you need to switch to professional account. Continue. I was clicking on artist and continue. So my account now was in professional account creator. Next, now it was a professional account was main. So now here you go to and again you need to click on three horizontal lines and go to settings and privacy. Here you need to go to account status. About your account. Here you need to go to messengers and story replies. Go to message controllers. Here you need to allow the access. Now you can see your notes on Instagram. Just write it and post it. I was going to write a hello. Done. So now my note was scanned.